The job description of a collections specialist focuses on managing overdue accounts, maintaining positive customer relationships, and ensuring timely recovery of outstanding payments for an organization. Collections specialists play an essential role across industries such as banking, insurance, telecommunications, healthcare, retail credit, microfinance, utilities, and corporate billing departments. Their primary responsibility is to communicate with individuals or businesses that owe money and guide them toward resolving their balances through structured payment plans, settlements, or clarifications of billing concerns. Because collections directly impact an organization's financial health, the role requires a blend of negotiation skills, problem-solving abilities, and strong professionalism. Collections specialists operate within well-defined policies that govern communication standards, financial regulations, and ethical guidelines. Their work requires interacting with customers experiencing financial hardships, misunderstandings, or emotional stress. As such, collections specialists must balance firmness with empathy, ensuring that they protect the company's interests while treating customers with respect and fairness. Organizations rely heavily on them to reduce bad debts, improve cash flow, and maintain accurate financial records. While the core function of collections remains consistent across workplaces, the day-to-day expectations may vary depending on whether the specialist works in early-stage collections, late-stage collections, business-to-business recovery, or specialized areas such as medical billing or legal collections. Regardless of the environment, the role requires strong communication skills, detailed documentation, and a steady commitment to achieving financial targets through ethical practices. Primary responsibilities of a collections specialist. Collections specialists begin their work by reviewing account histories, payment records, and outstanding balances. Before contacting a customer, they must understand the nature of the overdue amount, any previous discussions, dispute notes, and the original terms of payment. This preparation allows them to initiate conversations with clarity and confidence, avoiding misinformation and ensuring productive communication. The core of their role involves reaching out to customers through phone calls, emails, letters, or digital platforms. Specialists must introduce themselves professionally, explain the purpose of the call, and guide customers toward resolving outstanding balances. These conversations often require patience, especially when customers are defensive, unresponsive, or facing financial difficulties. A collections specialist must be able to listen actively, identify reasons for non-payment, and offer solutions aligned with company guidelines. These solutions may include negotiating payment plans, restructuring due dates, offering settlements, or clarifying misunderstandings related to billing. Documentation is critical in collections work. Every interaction must be recorded accurately, detailing the date, time, agreed upon terms, customer responses, and next steps. These records help maintain transparency and ensure that other team members can continue the process smoothly if needed. Accuracy in documentation is vital for legal compliance, future audits, and policy adherence. Collections specialists must also follow legal guidelines such as fair debt collection practices, confidentiality standards, and corporate regulations. They cannot harass customers or use inappropriate communication methods. Instead, they must maintain professionalism while clearly communicating financial expectations. This requires training and a strong understanding of applicable laws or organizational policies. Beyond interactions, collections specialists collaborate with internal teams such as billing departments, customer service representatives, and finance officers. They may request clarification on disputed charges, verify transactions, or update account statuses. They also escalate cases involving fraud, legal complications, or persistent non-payment to supervisors or legal departments. Monitoring accounts is another important task. Specialists review aging reports, identify patterns in late payments, and strategize approaches for accounts that require extra attention. They may also evaluate credit risk, recommend account closures, or support credit department decisions related to extending or restricting future credit lines. In large organizations, collections specialists often work with automated systems or CRM platforms that track overdue accounts. They may use collection software to send reminders, generate reports, and prioritize accounts based on risk and deadlines. Midway through these responsibilities, it becomes clear that the job description of a collections specialist is not merely about demanding payment. It is about communication, analysis, and ethical negotiation that protects both the customer relationship and the company's financial stability. Essential skills and qualities for the role. Collections specialists must possess exceptional communication skills. Since much of their work involves speaking with customers who may be stressed, confused, or resistant, the ability to remain calm, courteous, and persuasive is essential. Clear explanation of payment terms, billing information, and available options helps customers feel supported rather than pressured. Strong negotiation skills allow specialists to find balanced solutions that satisfy both customer capabilities and company requirements. Effective negotiators listen carefully, assess the situation, and propose reasonable arrangements without compromising on essential guidelines. Emotional intelligence is particularly valuable. Collections specialists frequently interact with individuals experiencing financial difficulties, health challenges, or personal hardships. Understanding these situations while maintaining company policy requires empathy, patience, and the ability to guide conversations respectfully. Attention to detail ensures that every record is documented accurately and that payment agreements are aligned with corporate policies. Mistakes in recording customer commitments or account details can lead to disputes, financial inaccuracies, or compliance issues. Time management and organizational skills help specialists manage high volumes of accounts effectively. Daily schedules may include contacting dozens of customers, updating records, attending team meetings, and reviewing newly overdue accounts. A well-organized specialist can prioritize tasks without feeling overwhelmed. Problem-solving skills support quick identification of issues such as disputed bills, technical errors in the system, or misunderstandings about charges. Specialists must analyze these issues and collaborate with internal teams to resolve them promptly. Technical proficiency is increasingly important. Collections specialists often use CRM systems, automated dialing software, digital payment platforms, and account management tools. Comfort with technology improves efficiency, accuracy, and workflow management. Professionalism is essential in every communication. Since collections conversations can become tense, maintaining a calm tone, using appropriate language, and adhering to ethical guidelines builds trust and protects the organization's reputation. Work environment and everyday challenges. The work environment for collections specialists is typically office-based or hybrid, with structured workflows and performance targets. Specialists may work in open-floor workplaces, call centers, or dedicated finance departments. Because collections involves time-sensitive tasks, the role can be fast-paced. Specialists often manage daily targets related to contact attempts, recovery ratios, successful arrangements, or resolved disputes. One of the biggest challenges in collections is dealing with customer resistance. Customers may ignore calls, refuse to cooperate, or express frustration. Specialists must develop resilience and stay committed to communication while maintaining professionalism. Another challenge involves handling emotional conversations. Customers may share personal difficulties such as illness, job loss, or family hardships. Specialists must respond with empathy without compromising financial expectations. Technical issues, such as system errors or incomplete billing information, can also affect workflow. Specialists must remain adaptable and patient when resolving such challenges. Despite these difficulties, many collections specialists find the role rewarding because they help customers regain control of their financial obligations. They also contribute significantly to the organization's revenue recovery and stability. Some roles require evening or weekend shifts because customers may only be available outside regular business hours. This flexibility ensures better contact rates and higher recovery success. Educational requirements and training. Most positions require at least a high school diploma, though many employers prefer candidates with post-secondary education in business, accounting, communications, or finance. Strong language skills and basic mathematical abilities are essential. Training is typically provided on the job. New specialists learn about company policies, debt collection regulations, communication techniques, and software tools. They also practice handling challenging conversations through role play or supervised calls. Certifications in credit management or financial services can improve career opportunities. Experienced specialists may advance to senior collection roles, credit analysis, team leadership, or financial operations management. Conclusion. The job description of a collections specialist highlights a role that blends communication, negotiation, patience, and financial responsibility. Collections specialists help organizations maintain financial health while providing customers with clear guidance and structured solutions for resolving overdue balances. Their work requires professionalism, attention to detail, and a steady commitment to ethical practices. For individuals who enjoy communication-driven roles and are skilled at balancing firmness with empathy, the position of collections specialist offers stability, growth opportunities, and a meaningful contribution to organizational success. As industries continue to rely on accurate credit management and timely account recovery, collections specialists will remain essential in safeguarding financial performance and fostering responsible customer relationships.